Welcome back to another book cover review. Today we're taking a look at something from Accademia BARILLA. This is Bread, delicious recipes for Italian favorites. So here on the front cover we can see a stock photo. On the binding portion we can see this is from Taunton Press. Continuing on the back cover, 40 recipes for bread, a little bit more description, more stock photos, and a little bit more on Accademia BARILLA. Here we have barcode and pricing information at the time and more contact information for Taunton Press. If we look at the inner cover pages, we can see an illustration in kind of a chef's hat motif. And if we look at the last page, here's our publishing information. This is from 2013. If we continue at the beginning, we have our title page. And a little bit more description on Accademia BARILLA, more stock photos throughout this book, and here are the contents. For a little bit more of the contributor information there. And then it gets into photos, text, and then the recipes themselves. And you can see here the theme is bread. And if we continue towards the end of the recipes, here starting at page 92 is the ingredients index. So if you prefer to work with ingredients as your starting point, then this will give you pages to go from there. Photo credits and last stock photo there. But taking a very quick look at something from Accademia BARILLA, this title being Bread, delicious recipes for Italian favorites. And this is part of a series of books. These are out there. This has been another book cover review. Feel free to check out other book review media reviews on the channel. We also do unboxing videos as well as show and tell videos on vintage, Mozart tools, and expanded topics. And we also do a series called Curios for the Curious, videos of more artsy type objects. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.